Paper Man loves NES Gaming Fun with RJ, like his channel as well. We're going to fly the plane. Got stuck in the tree on that throw. Like it and subscribe. Hit those notifications. Hit the button, the alarm bell. Oh. Here. Whoa. Fly it. Up. It's a nice cold day in Ohio. Uh-oh. Ain't going nowhere. Do a good throw for the video, then I'm going to stop it. Oh. Oh, it hit the flyer. Paper Man loves NES. He loves airplanes. Where the heck did it go?
That was a good one to edit.
Wait, one more, because I didn't really get that one. Oh. Like and subscribe. Gaming Fun with RJ.